Hey guys, I'm Jake, one of the bad boys here at Corvette Restoration. Currently, I just finished blacking out the hood on Matt's C2 Corvette, making it all pretty. But this will take a minute. So why don't we step outside into the shop and I can show you around a little bit, show you the multiple projects we got going on, introduce you to everybody, and show you what goes on here at Corvette Restoration. Hey, now we're outside the paint booth, as you can see, and this is the C2 that I just finished doing that hood on. As you step over here, you'll see our wet man Travis doing the final cut and soon to be buffing. Travis, why don't you say hi to the camera?
How y'all doing? I'm Travis, one of the bad boys here at Corvette Restoration. Get this car all slicked out, make it look good.
Outstanding. Hey guys, let's check out this 1960 Corvette for Rod. It's the next one slated to be painted. Larry Jr. Dressed to impress, needless to say. He thinks he's our general manager, but he's working hard at it, getting it ready. It'll be in the booth next. Alright guys, let's leave Rod's over here and let's check out Rick. He's over here on Tim's 63 Corvette. He's our old school resident mechanic. However, as you can see, this is a new LS3. So he's old school, but he's learning new tricks. Moving over to the next bay, we've got Eric here. He's changing the oil in a 1958 245 horse C1 frame. Why don't you say hello to the camera, Eric?
Hi guys.
As we call him, Haji. Alright guys, moving over to the next bay, we've got John's 1958 Resto mod. Waiting on a few parts for it, but as you can see, this bad boy is sporting an LS7 427 small block. It's going to be a beast when she's done. Alright, moving on to the next bay, we've got Ron's 1972. She is buttoned up and waiting customer pickup, guys. Hey guys, now down to our last bay here. We've got our double F, double R, doing some fiberglass work, taking some measurements, and working on our 87th body off. So, hey Tyler, our friendly fiberglass resident redneck, wave to the camera. See how this jig's working. Hey guys, welcome back. Out to one of our outdoor stalls, we've got our inner sandman here, Josh, otherwise known as Cletus.
How's it going, guys?
He's working on Jim's 1960 Corvette. We've just final filled it. He's sanding the last primer, getting it ready. He'll be going to paint soon.
Yeah, buddy, this feather field will make it soft. It'll make it sexy. And Mr. Bell will be proud. I promise you, Jay.
Outstanding. Alright guys, just a few more people to introduce you to. Let's head on over to our office. The only cool place in the shop. There's Miss Loretta.
Be right there.
Okay. Alright. Alright guys, we got one more to introduce you to. Larry's youngest son, Aaron. But haven't seen him in a minute. Hey Travis, have you seen him around the shop?
Yeah, he's in the bathroom.
Ah, let's check there. Ah, there he is. Hey Aaron, come here for a second.
Yeah, Jake, what's up, man? What can I help you with?
Not too much, just want to introduce you to everybody on camera. This is Aaron, our male stripper.
Hey, how's everybody doing?
He strips off paint off a car like no other. Hey guys, as you can see, that's a pretty wicked front end on this Corvette. This is going to be our 1973 Mako Shark build. Very popular in the 70s, and it's going to be the first one that we've got to actually restore and build. So this is definitely going to be a one-of-a-kind Hot Wheels build, and we are all excited in it. and all the bad boys here are definitely going to have a hand in this build. So, this is our 9th car that we've shown you. We're on our 87th body off here. We've done cars from all over the United States and even 2 international builds, one from Taiwan and one from Singapore. So, the restoration season's upon us, so make sure you find Larry Bartley on Facebook so you can follow our builds on social media and let all your family and friends see as well. Thanks, guys.
Hi, I'm Larry Sr., and I'm the guy that looks over the bad boys around here to make sure everything's going right. So you guys stay tuned. We got a big season ahead of us.